touch is beyond the human senses. How vivid can emotions be in visualized memories? Are there other worlds to be unveiled? How exciting will the metaverse be in the future? How will driving safety evolve once danger can be detected?
Avoiding obstacles.
Are we going to arrive on time?
You sure will, sir.
Thank you. I'm counting on you.
In cities, on farms, and in factories. Around the world, how will people and society change when everything becomes visualized? The world is full of unseen potential and emotions yet to be experienced. Reveal what is beyond human perception with our advanced image sensors. Unveil new possibilities.
Sony Semiconductor Solutions Group.